Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel On Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing token and airdrop site which name is CardSwap. So today in my video I'm going to show you how we can join the airdrop and how we can earn a huge profit in the future by joining the airdrop, and if you buy their tokens in their sale, so we can earn a huge profit in future, because now in sale their price is $1, and when their sale will be ended, then their price increases and 5 times increase, and you can earn your 5 time profit in future. So first of all, I give you a little introduction what is a CardSwap. So CardSwap, this is a swap stack farm. So you can swap stack farm on their site, or if you do not do nothing, and you will still earn. Automated market maker powered, taking the DeFi game to the next level and make instant spot exchange, leveraged trades, provide liquidity to earn returns and rewards. So after this, we discuss about the deflationary. While other spot platform tokens mint 750,000 tokens per day, we are aiming to burn 10% every day through the revenue generated from the platform, increasing the value of token over 50x within a year. So after this, we discuss about the community governance. We believe in democratizing access to finance. What else can be better? Can be a better way to give entire power to the community, create custom polls, votes for good ones, bring new ideas to the table, and the change the world for better. Another thing is future trading. They have a very good future trading for their project, and bringing forward the true meaning of the DeFi, that's decentralizing current financial products, bringing derivatives through future trading, so you can increase your returns on profit by long or sell short. It's on you. So they improved automated market maker to provide instant fulfillment of orders with less slippage. Exchange your favorite tokens with 10 times less gas than Ethereum, and also have a lottery system. Try your luck by gambling the extra tokens that you made by providing liquidity with a chance to 100 multiply your investment, and this is also secure. While other projects are getting DNS hijacked, we ensure the security of our platform from DNS all the way to smart contract are state of the art secured. And after this, we discuss about the token distribution. So before discussing the token distribution, we discuss how we can join their airdrop. If you want to join their airdrop, so just click on the airdrop. Before starting the way how we can join the airdrop, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So for joining the airdrop, you need to copy their link. So when you copied it, just go to your trust wallet and open the dApps. When you open the dApps, you just need to paste the address that you copied from their site and search it. When it is searching, so you need to change the Ethereum network to smart chain. After changing the network, after some time loading, you will find out this page in your trust wallet dApps. So here you can see that this is based on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet, and here their address is also mentioned here. They're referred by none, and their pre-sale price is $1, and the listing price will be $5. And their token address is also mentioned. You can also see their token sale status, and their starting time is Saturday, September 25th of September 2021. Pakistan Standard Time. My token balance is 0 KSWAP, and add token to your wallet. And you can also see their time is remaining 17 days and 10 hours, and you can buy 350k swap in just 1 BNB. So for joining the airdrop, you need to click on the add to wallet. When you click on the add to wallet, so you need to click on the claim airdrop. When you click on the claim airdrop, after some time, you will find out this message. So here you can see that I received 5 tokens. So if I want to claim it, just click on the claim now. Here you will find out their smart contract call. So here you can see that their maximum total fees is $1.82 and their network fees is 0.15 and their airdrop fees is $1.66. So you can join their airdrop and collect their 5 tokens in your wallet. Just click on the approve and their tokens will be added automatically to your wallet. So this is a very simple way how we can claim their airdrop. After this we discussed how we can buy their tokens with your BNB. So if you want to buy their tokens, you just click on the buy tokens. When you click on the buy tokens, you will again receive this message like smart contract call. Here you can see that you can I am buying their tokens in just $167. So their network fees is also $0.18 and my maximum total is $167.22. So if you want to buy their tokens in just 0.5 BNB, you need to click on the approve and their tokens automatically added to your wallet. So after this you can also see their total token sale is mentioned here and their sale contract. You can also buy their tokens by sending BNB to this contract address and QR code, and you can also earn by referral program. Share your referral link and get paid instantly to your wallet for every referred token purchase. Total paid to referrals is 0.174159 BNB and the referral commission is 10% and your referral earning is 0.0 BNB. Share your referral link or QR code and get commission for referred token purchases instantly to your wallet. So this is my referral link. If I copy it and send to my friends and family members, then they purchase their tokens, so I also receive my 10% commission on their purchasing tokens. So this is very simple way how we can join their airdrop and how we can buy their airdrop. So now we discuss other things about their project like social medias and their tokenomics also. So when we scroll down here, we go back to our home page and here we discuss about the other detail like tokenomics. So here you can see that this is their token distribution. The use of the cryptocurrencies has become more widespread. The origin, platform, idea, development of the concept and business plan. So here you can see that the total supply is mentioned here. The 50% is locked for the community reward for providing spot and leveraged liquidity, and 25% is for distribute over pre-sale and public sale, and 5% for airdrop, and 5% for cut swap team, and 5% for marketing campaigns, and 10% for liquidity to DEX listing. And here you can also see there are other things like cut swap utility, their governance, their incentives, their deflationary. And after this we discuss about the roadmap. They have different phases and different plan in their different roadmaps. So first we discuss about their first quarter in September 2021. So coin pre-sale launching and distribution is planned in September. After this you can also see their second quarter coin market with social influencer and the online advertising, and other is third quarter is for October 2021, and they have a plan of coin launching on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, CMC and other exchanges. And in first quarter of January 2022 they have other plan for decentralized platform, launch CutSwap decentralized exchange with staking feature. And in February 2022 open spot trading on CutSwap decentralized exchange. And you can also see their other quarter of March 2022 lottery on decentralized, ad lottery and other features on CutSwap decentralized exchange. So after this you can also see their April is about future trading. So this is their last plan. Other plan will be listed soon. So here you can also see the every answer of any question that you have in your mind. So these are the facts like frequently asked question. After this we discuss about their social medias group, because these are very necessary for you. In my every video I recommend you all, if you have interest or if you want to buy their tokens, you need to just click on their social medias links and you need to follow there and subscribe there, because they have each and every update and each and every information about regarding their project, and this will be very helpful for you to earn a huge profit in future. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.